everyone, my name is Audrey Rozier and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to create this video kind of referencing rent to own and what it is and usually what happens when you rent to own, because I'm getting a lot of questions from people asking me, what is rent to own? How do I go about doing it? Does it work with every property? And I'm going to tell you the truth. So here it is. Rent to own is not a common thing. It's a very tiny selection of homes that you have to choose from when you want to go that route. However, in rent to own, you will get to move into your property right away. It becomes your home right then and there after you sign the contract. The agreement between the landlord and the buyer usually lasts around 1 to 3 years, and then afterwards, the property then becomes available for purchase. What a lot of people don't know about rent to own is that you are required to come to the table with option money, which is usually between 3 and 7% of the purchase price. So on a typical $100,000 home, it's between $3,000 and $7,000 you have to come to the table with, which is usually non-refundable. Buyers should always hire a real estate attorney because that paperwork can get lengthy, and if you're not reading it thoroughly, you could get in some serious trouble. One word can mean the difference between you being obligated to buy the property and then having the option to buy the property at the end of the lease. In some contracts, option money may be used towards the purchase of the home. Other cases, the seller may pocket the money if you don't read thoroughly the contract. So again, hire a real estate attorney. During the lease, rent is paid to the owner. Usually a portion of that rent is used towards the down payment of the home. Adding in that additional portion to your monthly rent usually increases it slightly more than the going rate in the area that you choose to live in. Let's talk about maintenance. The landlord or the buyer may be responsible for the upkeep of the property. Again, that is in the contract that you need to hire an attorney to read over for you. If the buyer cannot purchase the property, maybe because the financing didn't go right or something else went wrong, and they are under legal obligation to purchase the property, legal proceedings may be initiated. And in that case, you would need a real estate attorney anyway. So, you should just hire them from the beginning. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other questions regarding real estate, please leave them in the comment section below. And subscribe to see more. Thank you again. Bye-bye.